What's going on, everyone? My name is Tim and I'm going to show you how to dump your black water tank for free at almost virtually every house ever. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's start this off with a hypothetical situation. We have in-laws in town. We decided, hey, let's go to Waco for a little vacation for 2 days and let's take the RV. So we took the RV, we get up there and I'm like, oh no, I completely forgot to bring what we call the poo tube. Usually I leave it in the bed of the truck, and this time I just completely forgot and I don't really know why, but oh well. So I went to the store and the kits that they have for another tube, over 20 bucks. So I was like, okay, I don't want to buy another one when I already have a full set at home. So we're like, we're fine, we'll just camp, and then once I get back home, I'll just dump at a RV place near me. Won't be an issue, we're good to go. Okay, so forward to today, we're back and I called all of the RV places around and they do not, cell phone. I don't know who this is. I'm gonna answer it, we'll see. I'll be right back. Okay, so that was the last RV place that I called, just calling back and say they don't really do that. Anyway, so I was like, well, now I'm stuck with an RV with the black water tank that's full. We have this listed for sale, so I don't want to sell it with a full black water tank, so gotta get rid of it. And that's where this video comes in, so check this out. Right now we're in the backyard. Let's go into my garage and I'll show you kind of how my house is set up with the backyard and the front yard and the gate and all that kind of stuff. So this is a map of my whole house. This is the house, this is a driveway, this is a driveway for my Boondockers Welcome area. Link below. Anyway, so my whole yard's fenced in here all the way up. But right back here, there's a thing right there. It's called a sewer, let me look. It's called a sewage cleanout. So we have it up here. I wrote it, the sewage cleanout, right there. So it's in the backyard, and the only way to access that sewage cleanout is from right here. Let me tell you just real quick what I understand a sewage cleanout is everybody that's on city water and city sewage between your house and wherever the main line is, they have a sewer cleanout. And essentially what it is, it's for maintenance people to go through. If you have a clog or something in your tank or in your lines, they can use that as an access point, and then they can either troubleshoot or clean out the system if it needs it or whatever. And what I know is that a lot of RVers use this and they can just dump straight in because the threads are the perfect size. I had to find mine. It was buried. I'm gonna have to unbury it, but if for everybody that's on city water, you have this. And also if you are on a septic system, then you can definitely do this with septic too, because there's a lot of vents and things. All septics are different. So find wherever your hole is and you can do this at home for free. This is my first time doing this, so if this is wrong, oops. It looks good. It looks like a normal sewer hole. I can't smell because COVID, but I'm gonna dump. Threads are the same. My backyard was not meant to have this RV in it. So in order for me to get it back here, I'm gonna show you what I had to do. My RV is just barely wide enough to fit through there. So I had to take the doors completely off. And there is a pad here for a normal trailer that's not as wide as this one. And when I bought the house, I was like, this is gonna be great because we could put the RV back here, until I actually tried to do it. Like, it looks perfect. It looks great. Not so much the case. Nicked my truck right here. Bring it in close right here. Got a new personality mark on the side of the fence. While this is filling up, I would much rather scrape the truck than the RV, since we're selling the RV and I plan on keeping the truck for a very long time. So my RV is not meant to fit right here, so the plug is over here, and right behind the RV is a tree, so I couldn't go back any further to bring it closer. Luckily, I had the extension, and then I have my hose coming through for the washout. But yeah, so I learned definitely something in this experience, and now you can do it for yourself, or if you're full-timing and you're going across the country and you visit friends, they have a sewer dump and they didn't even know it. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Definitely a short one today, and that's okay. In this channel, we do a lot of RVing, we do a lot of trips for the family. We have not done anything on YouTube lately because of our second child. And it takes a lot longer to edit than you would think, and it's just been low on our list. We're gonna ramp back up though, so stick around.